To be honest, there are so many opportunities I wanted to apply to on #paid, but I have big problems with their usage rights. So previously, when you would apply to a campaign, there would be a section that would say 12 months paid usage, and you would have to put in a rate for that. And typically the brand didn't use all 12 months of paid usage, but you would still have to put in the rate there. And as we know with paid usage, that could be really expensive. So what I found was that when I was putting my expensive rate in there, I wasn't getting a lot of brands to actually accept the rate, which was unfortunate because a lot of the times that high rate in my paid usage section was not even something the brand wanted to pay for. So I'm really happy to hear that #paid actually changed this up. They're basically offering creators this opportunity to make more money by selling usage rights to their content. And if you need a refresher on usage rights, there is a video that's linked in the caption here that I would highly suggest checking out. And if you also need more one-on-one advice, Social Suite is the place to be. It's our creator membership. We talk about this literally all day. They're now allowing you to create specific rates for different types of usage. And these are actually just some of the different types. But this is a really great way for you to be making more passive income because you create the content once and you'll be able to create more of an income by selling the rights, but not necessarily having to create new content.